I don't know.
It's a professional.
It's a
Mine is. I have the studio.
More,
Remember the studio?
Yeah,
I have the studio
more
one.
fancier.
She has a premium account.
I'm using his
Mine
password and
is free.
email.
Mine is free.
Free account. Okay, now it's good. Mine goes faster too. I don't know what happened. Yours we were like this for like a while.
Yeah.
It was like a minute. Hi, good morning. You have to go like this.
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, you don't have to go like that much.
No?
We both don't because
Okay.
look, we're so short. We don't have to go. We don't have to bend like this. Like if Ryan.
I
Okay,
just
calm
got
down.
taller.
Okay, calm down. I'm like, okay, take my heels off. We don't really have to be like that. If Ryan comes in, his head would be like over here. You won't see half, like maybe his hat. For us, we're the same size. Yay!
You know one thing you guys gotta think is funny.
Really?
But yes, but I was just shocked.
I'm already laughing.
No, I was watching one of my Facebook live and I was like, there's a badge thing came out, top fan. And I started crying. I was like, literally, there's
Alex
somebody
never had a top fan.
Yeah, no,
You have a top fan.
No,
One only.
I was like, yeah, one only. And I was like, wait a minute, there's literally somebody that's watched my live more than one live. So I was like, really.
As soon as you turned the light on, she came on.
No, and the other thing was like I told you.
Hi, good morning. Let me know when you guys are jumping on. Say hello. We have some exciting news.
So excited.
We're gonna be doing giveaways as well. And yeah, I'm gonna be signing the cards. We're gonna go over everything that we have on this side. We're gonna be announcing, if we sell out, we're gonna be announcing the winner that's gonna win a trip to California.
Oh yeah.
How do you say that?
Oh wait. So we're selling. We're hopefully we sell out today or the next couple of days. Lola's. We have a collab we'll show you, and if we sell out, we're flying 2 people in.
Yeah, you and a +1 will fly you guys out. You'll be able to spend the day with me, and then we'll pay for your flight, hotel, and we're just gonna get crazy.
Yeah.
But just take the whole week off because
And dinner too.
we're not gonna be able to like stop hanging out. Well, I'm gonna hang out forever.
That is the plan. That is the plan for
So I'm hoping we literally. I feel like I could do it. I came in here. I was like, I'm gonna fucking do this right here, right now. But the first round of these were sold out. So we did a second amount, and we're gonna start with just having you guys share the video first, and then we'll go over everything, how everything's gonna work. So make sure you guys share the video. We're gonna do some giveaways for you guys. All you do is click that little share button, comment where you're watching from, and then also tell that throw me a little thumbs up, heart emoji, mad face, or throw up face. That's how I feel right now.
Also, what we're going to do is we're going to set Lola's code for 15% right now. So you will get 15% off of this, and you will also get 15% off.
Free items.
So this has not. We've been selling this really good, and there were no codes allowed. Let me show it to you guys. There were no codes allowed, but starting today, right now, for today and tomorrow, we're going to have 15%. Her code will work on.
Yeah, and I'll swatch all of them. Like I
two.
literally will swatch all of them. We're gonna be hanging out for like 2 hours. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
I was like, I have to go home.
Okay with yours.
We're gonna swatch this. We're gonna see if this what the probably can do.
Hey, wait, your followers will be there for 2 hours. Mine after 10 minutes, they're like, oh,
I didn't win the giveaway. I'm leaving.
You never stay more than 10 minutes. So
Really?
we're out.
No, we're gonna force them. They're
Yeah.
they're gonna have to do a 2-hour shift. Like it takes the village, okay?
Yeah, well,
I'm
if
excited.
I do a 2-hour giveaway,
We're out
just
here.
as long
Make
as
sure
I
to
don't
share
give,
the video.
as long as I don't give away the whole Lorella store, we're okay.
No, not the whole Loretta.
No, so watch this. You know,
How much square foot is this? I'm just kidding.
no, so for me, like, I don't know, I always feel like after 5 minutes, or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, there's a bell in my head. I'm like, these guys put up with me, so they need to get.
They will love to put up with you.
Yeah,
they will learn to love it. They will learn to love it.
Feel like
you have to embrace your everything.
They're sharing so much time. I do want to know. I'm so grateful. Oh, by the way, also I'm looking for some followers in Facebook. If you guys are not following me already, it's Alex _ from Lorella. If you guys can follow me, I'd appreciate it.
Which one are you live on over here?
Same thing, Alex _ from Lorella.
Okay, so there's another live happening right here. Talk to each other. Say hi to each other. Give me say hi to Alex's friends. Alex's only friend.
Yeah, I have
I'm like,
look.
This is Alex's
Hey,
friend.
No, one thing I have to say, literally, I mean, we have what? I have maybe 2,000, 2,500 followers, but they are diehards. Like they
Really?
go, yeah, they're
That's
good.
amazing. It starts
they
like that.
They support like crazy. Like literally, like they messaged and and they even
We love
they
those.
even use the code.
They're the best.
And
They're the best
like
ones.
I was like, wow! It's just like I was absolutely floored. Like the comments and stuff. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate every single one of you guys so much.
He's damaged. He's about to
Thank
start
you.
crying. We'll have to end the video.
I don't want to cry, like, but I literally, I'm forever grateful. And
like mom issues.
No. So some couple of people, like, I'm not gonna say they use it, and I'm like writing them letters. They're gonna be like, "Bitch, please." Like,
Hello, good
I'm
morning.
ready to thank you letters. Like, yeah, I
Okay.
really, really appreciate.
I'm
you
gonna
guys.
show you guys the vanity, how it works, and the boys are gonna get us giveaways. So they'll figure it out. Ryan's really good at doing giveaways because
Yeah.
that's all mine.
Oh yeah, one thing what I want to do is because I did a live. And
Give
I
me-
did the
Okay, let
two
me get this
different
ready.
kind of giveaways,
Yeah.
but I forgot. I wrote down who won, but I don't know what did they win.
They'll let
So
you know.
let's do this. Let's do this where we put exactly what they want, so
In a
So
bag.
there's no we don't mess up.
And
I'm
a-
gonna
and
write
a
it down.
marker, and
I'm
then
gonna write it
the
down.
stick- so
I'm
we
gonna
use
write it
sticky
down.
notes,
Yeah.
a marker, the giveaways, and a bag, so we can put it all away.
Oh, and you wanted to talk to them about the lippy and stuff.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
talk to mine too.
Okay. Hi, good morning. I'm the owner of Lorella. Baddie ever. I'm just kidding. I fall. Me still drunk? Oh no. I'm just kidding. Hi, good morning, class. Shh, shh, shh. Can you be quiet? I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm so freaking nervous. My armpit itches. I'm so nervous, but I'm gonna show you guys the vanity and everything. Our goal is to sell out. The first time we had them launched, we sold out. It was literally my first sellout. Alex has been the first company I've ever collabed, or has ever offered a collab. So just to be able to have a collab has been such an amazing process journey. I'm like so excited. So when these sold out, I was like, oh hell no, bitch! I wouldn't do a restock. So we have about 65 of them left. So my goal is to sell them out. There's 15%. Is it 15 or 10?
15.
15%.
I'm gonna change it right now. Give me two minutes.
Okay. In a few minutes, I will put 15%. You guys can just put the code on there would be indelible, and it'll give you 15% off and free shipping, right?
Yep.
You better hook up my friends. Just kidding. He's like, oh. He's like, yep.
It's buy one, get one free.
And it's gonna be buy one get one free. I'm just kidding. No, but free shipping and you get 15% off. The suitcase link is down below. I am gonna be showing you guys how it works. I literally use it everywhere. You guys see me hauling this little suitcase everywhere. And then also, if you cannot purchase, make sure you guys share the video because we're going to be doing a lot of different giveaways for you guys. You guys already know that we do a lot of giveaways. If you guys do purchase a suitcase, they're also going to have some freebies. You're going to get a pair of lashes, a lash applicator. This is the one that I'm wearing. I think it's called Julian. And I love this one, and it's from Lorella, and I've been using this little tool, but it's in like gold. So it's a lash applicator, some little scissors. Don't get crazy because I will cut you. Just kidding. And then the lashes, and then you're gonna get glue. It's either gonna be the black one or the clear one. I like to use the black one when I'm doing eyeliner or any kind of night looks, and the clear one is just every single day of my life I use that one. So those are the three items that are gonna be in like with the suitcase as well. I'm burping. I'm burping this shot.
I just fixed
What?
your
life?
to
I'm just
15%.
kidding.
Yep.
Okay. 50. Yep.
It's ready to go.
15%. Okay, perfect. Make sure if you guys do purchase, comment down below so I can shout you guys out. If we do sell out today or whenever we do sell out, we are gonna be picking one lucky person that purchased a suitcase, and we're gonna fly you and a +1 to California. If you're in California, bitch, and you want to go to Florida, let's go. Let's go right now.
Brandy.
Let's go right now.
Brandy is totally fine if you can't purchase. Just
Share
the
the video.
and stuff. We love you.
Yeah.
And we'll support you, and we hope that whoever's watching us and stuff, we hope you guys win. It doesn't matter. You don't have to purchase as long as you're sharing and you're supporting us. That's all. Like, it means the world to us.
Yes.
It doesn't. it's not necessary for you guys to purchase.
Yeah, so we appreciate everyone that is supporting. If you can purchase, it's totally fine. Oh, they also have Afterpay, so you can even split it in payments.
Afterpay,
I think it's like 67 right now, and then you can split it in payments. But if not, it is totally fine. We love it. Like, we appreciate everyone that's